Hey techies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of AI powered model monitoring with Evidently AI for accessing their reports. I'm super excited to guide you through generating a report, saving it in the JSON format, and accessing specific metrics using a student dataset and a logistic regression model. Let's jump right in and get started. Let's set up our environment. Open your terminal and run this command to install the necessary libraries. I am using the versions of the packages which, as I mentioned. If you want, you can change it. Since I've already set up these on my system already, it shows requirement already satisfied. Okay, these libraries will get us ready for some serious data processing, model training, and report generation. Now let's move on. Let's import the packages into our Jupyter Lab. These imports include all the tools we need for data manipulation, model building, and generating our awesome Evidently AI report. Let's keep the momentum going on. Okay. Alright, it's time to load our student dataset and get it prepared for model training. Check this out. This dataset link will be added in my description below. You can access the data from there. I'm loading the dataset and then encoding the target variable here since it's in the string format, and then separating features and target variable x and y here, and then followed by encoding categorical variable in the x. I'm using get dummies. If you don't want this method, you can change the encoding which you prefer to. And then I'm splitting up the data into training and testing sets. All right, we have loaded the dataset, encoded the target variable, and split the data into training and testing sets. Awesome. Now let's train our model. With our data all set, let's train a logistic regression model. Here's how. I'm calling the logistic regression model. I'm fitting it with X train and Y train, and then add predictions to the training and testing sets. This will add the prediction probability to the training and testing data, so that evidently AI use these probability in order to generate reports and give us data and insights. And then I'm adding prediction to the training and testing sets. I'm adding the target variable here. Okay, moving on, we have trained the model and added predictions to our data sets. Now it's time for the star of the show, generating our classification report with Evidently AI. Let's create an Evidently AI classification report and save it in the JSON file. Since it's a classification model, I'm going on by calling the classification preset and then passing all my datas, and here I have placed the path where my JSON file has to be saved. Okay, once this data is saved, you can actually check the JSON file that is generated, so that you will get a clear understanding of what are the metrics and the values that have been produced, and how to particularly access this JSON file so that you can access any other metrics you want. I'll be taking this accuracy. Okay, we have got comprehensive report on our model performance. Now let's access some specific metrics from our JSON report. Let's load the data JSON report and extract the accuracy metrics. Loading it in the read mode, and then I'm gonna access it. We have got the accuracy for the current, okay, for the current data set. Since we usually use the testing accuracy, I have extracted it. Training accuracy will also be present in the JSON format. If you require those metrics, you can access it. And we have successfully used Evidently AI to generate a classification report, save it in JSON format, and access specific metrics like accuracy. This is an incredible way to track your model's performance and ensure it meets your expectation. And if you have different versions of model, you can access the data and plot it in high charts or any other visualization in order to track your model. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome machine learning tutorials. Check out the GitHub repository and Medium article links in the description for all the code and dataset used in the video. Happy coding, everyone!